In this video, we are going to see about maximum power transfer theorem for DC circuit. Let us directly move into the topic. That is, today's discussion content will be maximum power transfer theorem and its statement, and we are going to derive some equations and formulas based upon the maximum power transfer theorem, and we are going to solve problems related to the theorem, and we have some practice problems also. This is a statement, that is, from the name itself we can directly define the statement, that is, in DC circuit maximum power is transferred from a source to the load. That is, the power is transferred from the source to the load when the load resistance is made equal to the resistance of the network as viewed from the load terminals, with load removed and all the sources, that is like voltage source and current source, are replaced by their internal resistances. That is, here what they are coming to say is the power in a circuit, that is the power, the transferring of power from in a circuit from source to load, in which we are going to find the load resistance, that is the resistance that is present at the right corner or right bottom of the circuit or network is equal to the resistance of the network as viewed from the load terminals, with load removed and all the sources are replaced by their internal resistances. That is what we have already seen in Thevenin's theorem. That is, here also we are going to find the Thevenin's open circuit voltage and Thevenin's resistance in order to get the or find the value of the load resistance under maximum power transfer theorem. Next is explanation. That is, the circuit is supplying power to a load RL. The circuit enclosed in a box replaced by Thevenin's equivalent circuit consists of open circuit voltage VOC, which is in series with Thevenin's resistance RTH. That is, which is ultimately defines the Thevenin's equivalent circuit. And the resistance RTH is the resistance seen into terminals AB with RL removed and sources are replaced by their internal resistances. That is, here we see the circuit diagram, that is the circuit box that is replaced by the Thevenin's equivalent, which consists of open circuit voltage and Thevenin's resistance and load resistance, and the current flowing through the load resistance is called as load current, which is denoted as IL. And here is the proof or definition or explanation to find the maximum power transfer equation. The current supplied to RL is given by IL, that is, the current supplied to RL is IL, which is given or which is derived as IL is equal to VOC divided by RTH plus RL. That is, which can be written from Ohm's law. Okay, wow. Ohm's law. That is, I is equal to V by R. Okay, wow. Here V is voltage source VOC, and R is the equivalent resistance RTH plus RL, because it is connected in series. Why we are finding IL is, our objective is to find RL. Okay, RL and the maximum power. Here the power delivered to RL is PL. That is, the power delivered to RL, which is PL, and it is given as PL is equal to IL squared into RL. Hence, PL is equal to VOC divided by RTH plus RL the whole squared into RL, which is ultimately equation 1. Okay, adavadhu here we are just substituting the value of IL, that is, we are just substituting the value of IL in the power equation, and we are getting the equation like this. For a given circuit, VOC and RTH are constants, hence therefore the power delivered to load depends upon RL. In order to find the value of RL, for which the value of power, that is load power, PL is maximum, that is we are considering our objective is to find the resistance, that is load resistance value. For that we are assuming that the power PL is maximum. Our PL is maximum. Why? Because here in maximum power transfer theorem, that is the VOC and RTH are taken as constant. Hence it is necessary to differentiate the equation 1 with respect to RL. That is, this is the equation 1. This has to be differentiated with respect to RL. That is dPL divided by dRL is equal to 0. That is, we already know PL. PL is the power equation. This is the PL. This is in the form of UV, U by V. Okay, U by V. So we have to differentiate accordingly. Here VOC is a constant one. Okay, hence actually in the equation is PL equation is VOC divided by RL plus RTH. RTH the whole square into RL. This is the equation, and here we are just rewriting it as VOC squared, that is, which is a constant. We have assumed that VOC is constant, and the remaining terms will be written like this: RL divided by RL plus RTH, which is the whole square. RTH the whole square. We have to apply differentiation because we are considering the power is maximum. Therefore, we are differentiating this equation, which is in the form of U by V. As per differential calculus, it is in the form of U by V. Therefore, we are just differentiating with this is V squared. Therefore, here also squared. Therefore, whole power 4. Okay, RL plus RTH whole power 4 and VU dash. This one is V. Therefore, we are writing this V, and U dash is 1. That is, here we are differentiating with respect to RL. Therefore, RL is 1. Okay, we are differentiating RL is 1. This is 1 minus UV dash. U is RL. RL we have written, and V dash is RL plus RTH the whole square. Therefore, when we differentiate it, we will get 2. Okay, 2 into RL plus RTH. Ultimately, we are getting this equation, and when we simplify this, RL plus RTH the whole square, which is equal to RL into RL plus RTH. Hence, we are getting the equation as RTH. That is RTH equal to RL. After simplification, we will get Thevenin's resistance RTH is equal to the load resistance RL, which is very important equation in maximum power transfer theorem. Okay, this proves the maximum power transfer theorem. Hence, the maximum power transfer, that is power P max, is given as VOC divided by RTH plus RL the whole square into RL. Here we have to apply, that is RL is equal to RTH. Therefore, we are getting the equation as P max equal to VOC squared divided by 4 RTH. That is VOC the whole squared divided by 4 RTH, which is the power max. Okay, P max. P max. Next, we have to see some note, that is some important point to be noted. Under some condition, due to low efficiency and greater voltage drop, the electric power system never operate for maximum power transfer theorem. That is not applicable. The power transfer theorem is not applicable under such conditions. Okay, it is because in an electrical power system, the ultimate goal is higher efficiency rather than the maximum power. which is very important point. This can be asked as a reasoning type question. And the second one is application. In electronic circuit, the maximum power transfer is usually a desirable one. For example, in a public address system, the circuit is adjusted for maximum power transfer by making the load, that is the load is speaker, and the resistance equal to, that is load resistance, which is equal to, or the speaker resistance, okay, is equal to the source, that is an amplifier resistance. This is the application. And next we will directly solve the problem, that is find the value of RL so that maximum power is transferred from battery. That is, this is a circuit, that is we are seeing this is the circuit, and we are going to see the solution, that is our objective is to find RTH, okay, then only we can find, because we know RTH is equal to RL. Our objective is to find RL, okay. So in order to find RL, we have to find RTH. So we have to find RTH, and similarly we have to find VTH, that is VOC, okay, Thevenin's voltage, which is equal to VOC. We have to find VOC. So Thevenin's resistance RTH can be found by removing the load resistor and short circuit the voltage source. Here we have short circuit and we have to find the RTH on seeing from the load terminal, that is the open circuit terminal. Here two resistors are in parallel, therefore 10 into 10 divided by 10 plus 10, which is 5 ohm. Okay, RTH is 5 ohm, and we have to find the open circuit voltage VOC. For that we have to remove just only the load resistor, and the voltage source will be present. Okay, here we have to apply we have to find the VOC. Okay, VOC or VAB. Further we have to apply voltage division. Voltage division means VOC, that is 50 volt, that is 50 volt is the total voltage, input voltage, into 10 divided by 10 plus 10. Okay, this is our formula. We already seen it in our previous videos, and we got 25 volt. Okay, therefore the maximum power is transferred to the load resistor only when the load resistor equals the Thevenin's resistance. Okay, அதாவது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா RL is equal to RTH is 5 ohm. From that is which is concluded by maximum power transfer theorem. Okay, நம்ம வந்து ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம டெரைவ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம், அதிலிருந்து நம்ம we can directly write it as RTH is equal to RL. Therefore we are writing as RL is equal to 5 ohm, and we have to find the maximum power P max, that is P max is VOC square divided by 40H, that is which is equal to 31.25 watts. Okay, we can verify it with the help of scientific calculator. 31.25 watts. Just substitute these values, 25 square divided by 4 into 5, which is 20. We will get 31.25 watts. Next we will see the second problem. Here they have asked two subdivisions. Find the value of R for maximum power to R and determine the maximum power to R for the given network. This is a network. For that we have to find the RTH, so then only we can find the RL. We have to find the RTH value, and we have to find the VTH value or VAB or VOC. For that we have to short circuit the voltage source and remove the load resistor, and we will get the RTH as 7.5 ohm. Okay, this is the circuit. When we do these two operation, circuit we got is like this: 5 ohm and 5 ohm and 5 ohm. These two 5 ohm are in parallel, and these which is in series with this 5 ohm. Okay, and you have to calculate the VOC, that is Thevenin's voltage. For that we have to remove the load resistor R, and we will get the circuit like this. And here we have to find using the voltage division, that is voltage division. Here the total voltage, the input voltage is 20 volt we have written, and we have to find the voltage drop across across the terminal AB. For that we have to consider the 5 ohm. Okay, 5 ohm. Therefore 5 ohm resistor divided by 5 plus 5, because here there will be here there is no closed path. Therefore you have to consider this 5 ohm, and we are getting 5 plus 5, which is 10 volt. Okay. Next is Thevenin's equivalent circuit. The maximum power is transferred to the load resistor only when the load resistor equals the Thevenin's resistance. Okay. Therefore, we want RL is equal to RTH, which is equal to 7.5 ohm, which is 7.5 ohm. We have found RL. Since we found RTH, that is Thevenin's resistance, and you have to calculate the P max, maximum power, which is equal to VOC squared divided by 4TH, and we are getting the power as 3.33 watts. Okay, you can verify it using scientific calculator. Next, we have a practice problem. You can practice on your own, which is a self-practice problem, which is based on the previously solved problems. This is the above two solved problems. Thank you.